Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon gingerbread house. Let's begin along the top center page with a curve for the roof. We're going to start on the left side, and this up, and then down. Then on the ends, we're going to draw a straight angle line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add some snow across the bottom of the roof. Just going to round this out. And we'll just draw a wave going up towards the middle. And do the same thing coming down the right side. Let's draw a straight line going across the bottom. And we'll draw two gumdrops on the end. Let's add a line coming down the side of the house. And then we'll add some gumdrops across the top of the roof. Now I'm going to add some frosting across the front edge. Draw a wave going all the way around. Round up the end and trace that along the bottom. Let's add a circle in the center. And then we'll draw some waves across the inside, starting from the top. We'll cross into an angle. And do that one more time. Let's add a large door, starting on the left, draw a straight line going up, line that up on the right side, and we'll close off the top with a curve. Let's trace the door along the inside. And we'll add a circle in the center. Let's add that candy stripe around the door. And then two more circles on the side. Let's add the stripes across the gumdrops. And then some frosting across the bottom. Now let's add a chimney across the top. Let's start with a straight line. Add some snow across the bottom. And we'll draw two lines coming down the side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a gingerbread house. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.